Hello everyone. If you're facing this error on Roblox, there is a problem receiving data, please reconnect with the error code 260. Then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix error code 260 on Roblox. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that Roblox is not actually down. So you're going to search for is Roblox down. You're going to select under this first link from DownDetector. And here you can see Roblox is not down, it's working. There are not a lot of problems. So after that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here run. You're going to write here CMD. You're going to write ping. And then you're going to put in roblox.com along with dash and T. So just write it exactly like I have. Press enter. And here you need to look for if this pinging fails. So here you can see we had a request timed out. It shows that it's a problem on our internet and Roblox is working fine. So it's our internet that's having problems. To fix that, what you need to do is you need to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here network reset. You're going to reset your network. And after that, your computer will restart. And then you're going to go into your network and internet. You're going to go into advanced network settings. You're going to disable your network. And then you're going to wait for 2 to 3 minutes. So just wait 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, you can go ahead and enable your network. And once you do that, now when you open up your command prompt and you write the same command, you'll see that you won't get that request timed out error again. As you can see, I'm not getting request timed out again. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.